students, hope we are doing well. So today I am going to explain star delta starter for induction motor, as one student from Fiji asked that how this kind of starter works, and he wanted to know basics of this kind of starter. So I am explaining this in this video, and hopefully all other students will also gain benefit from this. So star delta starter, as its name indicates, it is used for starting purpose only. It is a starter. And why we need starter for the induction motor? Because in the starting the current is very high. Whenever you will give direct line voltage to the starter, then there will be high current, and this high current can damage the induction motor. That's why we need starter for the induction motor. Now there are various types of the starter. This is star delta type of the starter. Now, as its name indicates, it is star and delta. That means there will be a star connection, there will be a delta connection. So first I will explain you what is the star connection. So this is the three-phase winding. This is one phase. It has two terminals, 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2, you can say, and 1 and 2. Means there are three windings in the stator of the induction motor. First, you can say this, and second and third. Okay, so these three windings are connected such that and terminals of the three, they are connected together and it forms a neutral. So this kind of connection is called star connection. And what is about the delta? For delta, you have this one winding, and terminal of the first winding is connected with the starting terminal of the next, and you can say and terminal of the second winding is connected with starting terminal of the third winding, and terminal of the third is connected with starting of the first winding. So this type of connection is called delta connection. Now, what is the difference in between these two type of connection? Line voltage is over here and phase voltage is over here in case of star. So this is VPH. VPH is equal to VL upon root 3 in case of star connection. And in case of delta connection, this is your VL supply voltage and this is your V phase. You can say they are equal because the whole voltage is appearing across the winding directly. And in case of the star, the reduced voltage means VL by root 3. You can say VL by root 3 means 57.7% of the supply voltage that is appearing at the starting. That means this connection you can use for the starting of the induction motor, where in starting you can connect the this winding in star, and in running condition you can connect that in delta. So you have to press this switch at starting. This will form a star connection because these three terminals are connected together, which will form neutral. And as motor reaches to 90% of its synchronous speed, at that time you have to change over, and what you have to do, you have to press this delta button, and you have to open the star and then press delta. That means at running condition this motor will work as motor will run in the delta connection only. Now, what are the advantages of this kind of connection? So you can say that advantages are, first advantages, it is very simple. Just you have to make connection and you will get reduced voltage at the starting. So you can say it is a cheap also and effective also, because you are reducing, actually you are reducing voltage, and it is efficient also because you don't need additional devices which will absorb power. That's why this is efficient also. And it is suitable for high inertia and long acceleration loads also. So suitable for high inertia loads. Okay. And what are the disadvantages of this kind of connect? Disadvantages, you can say that the motor should be in delta connected. Motor should be delta connected while in running condition or normal operation. And additional requirement is that you need 6 terminals of motor outside so that you can connect this kind of starter. And you can say what are the applications of this kind of starter, or where this kind of starters are used. So you can say machine tools or pumps and motor generator sets. So and one thing you have to keep in the mind, that this starter is not suitable for 3000 volt or more than 3000 volt induction motor or supply voltage. And you have to use this kind of starter for 4 to 20 kilowatt of motor rating. And there is one thing you have to keep in your mind, that you have to change from star to delta when it reaches 90% of its synchronous speed. Okay, synchronous speed you can calculate by 120 F upon P, where P is number of poles and F is frequency, so supply frequency. So when your rotor of the motor reaches 90% of the synchronous speed, at that time you have to change over, you have to do changeover from star to delta. Hope you understand now basics of this kind of starter.